Hey guys, it's me again. But this video is going to be about the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. You got this at Meijer. It was clearance for $25 from $50, and that's not bad. Plus, used to work there. It was like 10% discount, and I will show you guys what's on here. Obviously, it's going to be the Opera Swiss. Yes, I am playing NASCAR game inside line. Now, people ask me why I bought this. For security wise and hunting wise. Yeah, and that. I'll show you something real quick. That's the effect of it onto the tissue box. It's jagged, it's like a saw. Obviously you need a corkscrew on here. Because we're in the wild and you have a bottle of wine. You get drunk in the middle of nowhere. A little thing. Many officers waste, but this is all stainless. Scissors. That's a must have. Screwdriver, yes. Screwdriver with a bottle opener. That's all of it inside. And 2-bar, I think, yeah. A knife, mini knife or something. I don't know what the hell that is. And a hook. So that's all of it. Again, this is at Meijer for $25. I got it for clearance. This is a Victorinox made in Switzerland. I'm laying down because I don't feel well. I just scratched myself. And I'm waiting. Yay. So that's it. There's my injury. That's it. Next video in like 4 seconds will be a surprise.